So guys, first thing that you will do is go to your Google Play Store, and from here just search for the BMW application. And guys, for this first solution, just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. So when BMW have an update, you should be able to update it over here. And now guys, for the second solution, just go to your settings and then tap on the apps. And then from here, just go to BMW and tap on it. And then from here, tap on storage and make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And then from there guys, you should be able to use your BMW application. And now guys, if that doesn't work, the last option that you have is uninstalling the application. So first, uninstall the application on your device. And then once you have uninstalled it, you can just go back to the Google Play Store and install it again. And then from there, you should have a working BMW application. And there you go. If this video was helpful guys, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya!